Alright, poo-poos, you've been so patient while we were doing the thumbnail. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you say hi? Penelope just woke up from a nap, so she is going to help me unbox a new subscription box. I'm so excited. So this video is not sponsored, but Lovevery did reach out to me and they sent me 2 of their boxes. So freaking generous. If somebody from Lovevery is watching this, I just want to tell you thank you so much. Like, I appreciate it so much. We already actually dug into the other box that we got. Yes, which this video is actually... Yes, do you want to show him one of the toys? Do you want to show him a sneak peek? Let's go get it. Oh, she woke up. Grouchy, come here, baby. Okay, just while I'm talking and stuff, let's get you something to play with. So the box we're unboxing today is going to be for months 16, 17, and 18 months. The one that Jesse is unboxing on his channel that we already looked in last night, he is doing months 19, 20, and 21. So here's one of the little toys that came with his box, a little sneak peek. It's a little pegboard. It comes with this beautiful print bag and these little knobs that you can stack. Yeah, she loves it. It's actually it's supposed to be advanced for her, but this is probably one of her favorite toys that came in that box. So anyways, geez, I am like, want to sit down there? And then I'll show you when I pull things out, okay? Anyways, so make sure, I didn't even tell you guys, Jesse's the hubby, by the way, if you're new to this channel. He started his own YouTube channel. I'm so excited. He's been doing tech reviews, gaming videos. If you are into video games, we do live streams on there sometimes. So anyways, I will link his channel and his unboxing in the description box below for you so you can go check it out. And if you're intrigued to see what other type of boxes they have, like I said, he has a completely different box that he was reviewing. And it's kind of cool too. His review is a blind review, so he didn't know anything about the company. He didn't know how much it costs. I was just like, hey, let me give this to you to unbox on your channel. So anyways, again, thank you so much to Lovevery. Like, again, it was so generous of them. They could have just sent me the 16, 17, and 18 month box because Penelope is 16 months old, but they sent me 2 and it was so generous. So I think if from year 0 to 1, the boxes are $80 and you get them every other month, so they give you enough toys to last every other month. And then from like, I think 1 year or something on, they give you 3-month boxes. So the 3-month box is a little pricey. It's $120, but all of the toys in here are so high quality. If you were to buy each and every toy on Amazon, it'd probably be way more expensive. And the toys are all designed by experts for your baby's developing brain. They follow the Montessori guidelines, which is supposed to be really good for baby's development and brains. Like, just look at little Pooh's right here. She is just sitting down so nicely. Oh, now she's intrigued. She looked up. She's like, there's something new in the box, but she loves these toys. They're so beautiful. Like, anyways, sorry, I'm just blabbing because I'm so excited and I just think this is the greatest subscription box ever. And already, poopers, I see something you're gonna love. How freaking cool. This is like a volleyball. If you don't know, Jesse and I are volleyball players. Both played in college for a little bit and oh my gosh. So this toy is really awesome. She actually has a similar squishy ball that she has loved since she was like a couple months old. And that's actually one of her favorite toys are balls. If you've watched any of my monthly updates, she always loves balls. So I'm so excited. Look at Pooh's. You're very busy with that, aren't you? Oh, do you like your new ball? Is that yes? Oh, I don't think you guys can see her down here, but she just looked up and like smiled. You love that? No, not for you guys. My dogs are like, for us? All right, so that is really awesome. What else do we have in here? What is this? How cool. Okay. So, very cool. It's a little tree and they have, look babe, little Velcro creatures inside. Oh my goodness, caterpillars. She took the ball and she has taken off. Hang on, guys. Oh my gosh, how cute. She is loving her ball. So anyways, a win-win. Yeah, you love it, babe. Are you so happy with that? Do you want to see what this is? Oh, see the little caterpillar? Let's see if there's, thank you. Should we, oh, I was gonna say, let's see if there's a butterfly. And you can shut this. Wow, here you go. Do you want to play with that? She's so intrigued. How cool. Let's see what else we have in here. We have, what is this, poo-poos? What's in here? Oh, what is this? How cute. You guys, come on. My dogs are so excited about it too. Look at babe. It's like a little pretend makeup. You can do your makeup. Oh my gosh, it's just a little wooden, it's plastic with like a wood flap mirror. You want your ball? Here you go. Oh, I know pups are a little overbearing right now, huh? But this is so cute. What else is in here? Oh, look, a little mouse. Aww, do you want to put him in his blanket? Aww, how cool. So what's cool about this box is they include a little pamphlet that tells you how to play with each item. So that one, I'm sure there's a, like, obviously it's fun to explore, but I'm sure there's a, like some type of game. Yeah, you love that ball. It also gives you kind of some nice little like advice, little, you know, parenting help, which I'm a first-time mom, so I'm happy about this. I'm gonna read through this. So like for that little mouse toy, it explains your baby is starting to understand that cute little face looking back at him in the mirror is in fact his own. Gives you little activities, what you can do with the toys, why. It's really, really cool. Oh, and so actually the little mouse is supposed to be help for diapers, like to teach, oh, we're gonna change the mouse's diaper. And it says you can put the mouse in the box to tuck it into bed, to pretend like you're putting it to bed. So how cute. Very, very cool. What else did you pull out there, Poos? What's this? Oh, here's the little cards. Finally, I'm like, where are the rest of the cards? So this is actually a dice. And how cute. One, she can pull these in and out. She loves little cards like this. Oh, and each one is double-sided. So this one says touch your toes, pat your head. Yes, would you like to play with this? So this, let's see, let's open it. Oh, how fun. So another little cute little bag. And it's, you can thread this and make a necklace, like a chain. How cool. So it comes with all these little parts, these little gadgets, and she can thread them through. How cool, Poos. You can put it through there. Yeah. Look like this, look. Or you can go like this. Wow. Very cute, very fun idea. And then I'm sure once she gets the hang of these and figures out how they work and everything, like right now, she's not threading it on the actual little threader, but she's playing with the little parts. She's turning them over. She's putting them on her fingers. She's exploring. And that's what I think a lot of these toys are designed to do. Yes, they have a specific way you can play with them, but it's also fun for them to just explore new things. So anyways, I really like this dice. You put the little cards in there, like this one says rub your tummy, this one says wiggle your ears, and you basically just throw the dice, and what it lands on, you guys can play like a copycat game. So, Poo-Poos, can you pat your head? Can you pat your head? Where's your head? Yes. Oh, you want to put that on my head. Very, very cool. We also have some books, and I guess all their books. Max and Nana go to the park? That's the name of this book. That's his Nana. Oh my gosh, how cute. Let's see. Oh, he fell down. He's crying. Tell him it's okay, baby. Do you want to tell him it's okay? Yeah, say it's okay, baby. Yeah, he fell down. Look, and that's his Nana. How cool! Oh my gosh, she loves books. Books are always good. And I guess with Montessori, the idea is to have realistic books. So like real pictures of real little kids doing things. And she actually has a couple baby books like this with like babies making different facial expressions. They are one of her favorite books, so that's really cool. So the next item is actually a puzzle, which Poozers, you've been loving puzzles lately. You're also gonna love this one. Oh my gosh, how cute, and there's little babies underneath them. Wow. Do you see that baby? How cool. And this is wood, guys. It smells so good. Yes, that little girl's holding a ball. Yes. Uh-huh. Where's your ball? Where's your new ball? Is it over there? All of these toys so far have been really, really nice quality, really sturdy, like wooden, or if they are plasticky, they're like nice plastic. I think she's extra intrigued by this too because there are little kids underneath each shape. So, oh my gosh, this one's so cute. You're gonna get a lot of play out of this one, Poo-Poos. And last but not least, we have this sucker. Oh my gosh, here's probably the little parts. She's gonna love this. Box. Also the box, she loves the boxes. Like, the box that Jessie unboxed came with a lot of mini boxes inside, and she loved playing with the boxes as well. Yeah. You want me to open this? I sure will. We can see what's in it. And do you want to see how this works? Let me show you. We'll put this up here. Let me show you here. Here's the red car. And here's the blue car. And look it. Let's see where they go up here. Look, baby. Wow! Wanna try? Put it up there. There you go. There you go. You did it. Is that so cool? She's like, yeah, Mom, but I really like this threading toy over here. So this is freaking awesome. The little cars just go down. Aw, it's a little overwhelming, huh, all these toys. She also is teething really bad. She's cutting like 3 or 4 teeth all at the same time, poor baby. So her demeanor's been a little bit grouchier than usual, but I think this is cool. Daddy's gonna like to play with this with you too. Anyways, guys, that is my 16, the box is called the Pioneer box. So again, 16, 17, 18-month-old box with all the toys in it. Thank you again so much to Lovevery for sending me these boxes. Again, this video is not sponsored, but I will leave a link down below for you guys. If you want to get your own Lovevery box, it's not an affiliate link, anything like that. This is strictly just me coming on here showing you something really, really cool. This video is probably long enough, so I will let you guys go. I'm sending you a big, big hug if you're watching this. If you need an extra hug, here's another one. Hugs always help. And if you're a mama and are having a rough day, here's a third extra hug for you, because being a parent is probably one of the hardest things you will ever do in life, but so cheesy. It's also one of the greatest. It really, really is. So anyways, I'll let you guys go for real this time, and I'll catch you in my next video.